Hey there investors, have you heard the buzz? Rivian stock is absolutely soaring right now. I'm here to break it all down for you. Let's dive right in. So what's driving this surge? On Friday, Rivian Automotive, Nasdaq Rivian, announced its fourth quarter production and delivery numbers, and they were better than Wall Street expected. As of this past Friday, Rivian's shares were up a whopping 23% from Thursday's closing price. That's huge. Now let's talk numbers. Rivian produced 12,727 electric vehicles in Q4, and delivered 14,183 EVs to customers. Both of these numbers surpassed expectations. For the entire year, Rivian produced nearly 50,000 vehicles and delivered over 51,000. Those figures are solidly within the company's guidance ranges. Here's some even better news. Rivian resolved a component shortage that had been limiting its production. This is no longer a constraint, freeing up the company to ramp up production even more. That's music to any investor's ears. Investors have been worried about the broader EV market, especially with Tesla showing signs of slowing demand. But Rivian's results are proving that demand for its vehicles remains strong. And don't forget, Rivian's upcoming earnings call on February 20th is going to be crucial. This call will shed light on whether Rivian hit its long-standing goal of positive gross profits by the end of 2024. Plus, we can expect to hear about the company's plans for 2025 and beyond. With Rivian's higher volume R2 models set to launch in mid-2026, 2025 could be a year of strategic groundwork. So what's the takeaway? Rivian is showing strong performance and solid demand in a challenging market. This could be a great opportunity for savvy investors. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. And drop a comment below. Are you bullish on Rivian? Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.